This is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show how you can see how much internal storage you have on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then find and open the About Phone category. That's the very first one you should stumble upon. Then over here tap at the storage, and at the storage space page you can see how much memory or how many gigabytes of memory you have in total, how much of it is currently occupied, or here is the total amount, here is the amount of available memory, and here is the amount of occupied storage. Then you can also see what is that occupying your storage to begin with, and perform the memory free up as well, just by tapping at the one button. It will launch the cleaner, then just perform the cleanup by tapping at this button over here. And well, that will be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.